An inside look at social media algorithms, how they decide what you see. An inside look at social media algorithms, how they decide what you see. Social media has become an integral part of our lives, allowing us to stay connected with friends and family, discover new ideas, and access information on a wide range of topics. Have you ever read how the content on your social media feeds is selected, though? That is the job of the social media algorithms that operate behind the scenes. Every social media platform has its own algorithm that determines what content appears in users' feeds. These algorithms are designed to deliver content that is relevant and engaging to the user. In this article, we will take an inside look at social media algorithms and how they decide what you see. What are social media algorithms? A social media algorithm is a set of rules or instructions that determine how content is ranked and displayed on users' feeds. These algorithms use a range of factors to determine which posts and reels are likely to be the most interesting and relevant to each user. Social media algorithms were first introduced as a response to the increasing amount of content being posted online. They are designed to weed out low-quality content and spam and to promote high-quality, engaging content. By optimizing the content that users see, these algorithms aim to provide a better user experience. How social media algorithms work. Every social media platform has its own unique algorithm, but there are certain similarities between them. Social media algorithms use a range of factors to determine the ranking and visibility of each post. Here are some of the most important factors. 1. Engagement. One of the most important factors that social media algorithms consider is the level of engagement that a post gets. Engagement includes likes, comments, shares, and clicks. The more engagement a post gets, the more likely it is to be shown to other users. 2. Relevance. Social media algorithms also take into account a user's interests and behavior on the platform. This includes the topics they have engaged with, the accounts they follow, and the content they search. 4. The algorithm then selects posts that are most relevant to the user based on this information. 3. Recency. The recency of a post is also an important factor in determining its visibility on social media. Posts that have been recently shared are more likely to be shown to users than older posts. 4. Trending topics. Social media algorithms also take into account trending topics and hashtags. Posts that are related to current events or popular hashtags are more likely to be shown to users. How social media algorithms affect users. Social media algorithms have a significant impact on the content that users see on their feeds. By controlling the content that is displayed, these algorithms can influence what users see, what topics are discussed, and what views are promoted. The downside to this is that social media algorithms can also create filter bubbles, where users are only exposed to content and opinions that align with their existing beliefs and interests. This can limit the diversity of ideas and viewpoints that users are exposed to and can lead to a lack of critical thinking. Social media algorithms can also have unintended consequences. For example, they can make it difficult for smaller businesses and content creators to gain visibility without spending money on advertising. This can lead to larger businesses and influencers dominating the platform. How to optimize your content for social media algorithms.